Hi, in this video we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies notifications from the multiple colleges. That means from one NIT we are going to see the guest faculty recruitment notification and the assistant professor vacancies from the 7 state university affiliated colleges. And here with PhD you can get the salary up to 54,000 rupees per month, and with only post graduation the salary is 45,000 rupees per month, and in the remaining colleges you can get as per the UGC or the AICTE norms. So please share this video once after watching this one to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subjects in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as an immediate notification, then you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding the 8 different colleges faculty recruitment notification advertisements. Online personalized job consultancies by paying only 100 rupees as a registration fee, and fill up the Google form and the link I kept in the description box of this video. By this method, whatever the jobs you are looking for, those jobs we will search and the job notifications will be directly sent to your registered mail ID. And one more note is that the candidates who are already registered for this one, you need to check your mail IDs regularly. Why? Because my team is sending the lot of recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWYNIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video. So out of the 8 different colleges, first we will see the state university affiliated colleges, and then we will go to the NIT recruitment notification. So coming to the recruitment here, that you may check down the college here. So Kingston Imperial Institute of Technologies and Sciences from Uttarakhand. Here the contact number as well as the email ID is also provided. So if you are having any queries regarding this recruitment notification, then you may contact this number or else the mail ID, guys. And coming to the subjects here, pharmacy, political science, music teacher, sports trainer, lab demonstrator and lab in charge, lab attendant, typist in Hindi or English, and warden and MTS and the office wife. The number of vacancies as per the gender category is also mentioned here, and the qualification required is also mentioned here. Fine. So the lot of the subjects, only post graduation or else under graduation is required for this one. So you may please check down this. And here the walk-in interview is there on 3rd November 2021 from afternoon 12:30 to evening 4 o'clock. So whoever the interested candidates are there, once you may contact them and then go for the interview. So that you can know that whatever the particulars or the documents you need to bring at the time of the interview. Fine. And it is a second college in Dehradun, guys, and here the contact number as well as the mail ID is also provided, and applications are invited for the following positions. So librarian required, a bachelor or else a master with minimum 3 years of working experience, and the knowledge of PMB or Koha is a must. And coming to the lab assistant, physics and chemistry with at least 3 years work experience in a repeated school. And the secretary female is required, any graduate with minimum 3 years of work experience in schools with knowledge of MS Office or else MS Excel, and the ability to handle all official correspondence. So good communication skills and fluency in English is a must for all the posts, and all achievements should be supported with proper testimonial, and good remuneration can be expected. Whoever the interested candidates are there may submit their biodata along with a handwritten covering letter and a recent passport size colored photograph in the school office, or else you may send to the provided email ID within the 7 days from the date of the publishment of this advertisement. Fine. So it's better to send the necessary documents to the provided email ID, guys. Okay, so you please check down once again this one. So here the email ID is also provided. Fine. If you are having any queries regarding this one, here the contact number is also provided. Fine. And coming to the next one is Danish Ahmad College of Engineering. So from this one, we got the recruitment notification regarding the assistant professor and associate professor for the departments of mathematics, physics, chemistry, computer science, placement or soft skill trainer and MBA. Qualifications as per the ACT, that means as per the ACT for the assistant professor in the engineering department, only post graduation is enough. So you have to apply within 10 days, and here the mail ID is also provided. So facultyhu@gmail.com. And coming to the next college is Women's Christian College from Chennai. So applications are invited from women for the following positions. So here the assistant professor is required for the Department of Home Science and Biotechnology, Corporate Economics, English, Qualification as per the UGC norms. So as per the UGC norms means the candidate must have the post-graduation in the concerned discipline with 55% of marks, and UGC NET or CSI or NET or SLET or SET qualification must be there. And coming to the PRO, should have the excellent communication and the computer skills to liaise with the stakeholders or organize and managing the events. And whoever the interest and eligible candidates are there, you may apply from the official website itself, and the last date for the submission is 10th November 2021. Fine. So here the college website ID is also given here, so you may check down, guys. And coming to the next college, so here you may check down. Applications are invited for the following vacancies: the teaching, assistant professor of history, qualification as per the UGC norms. And coming to the management vacancies, assistant professor of English and education, physical science, so qualification as per the UGC norms. And the non-teaching position is also there, gardener. And apply with copies of certificates and the testimonials to the principal by 13th November 2021. Okay, and here the college address is also given here, so you may check down, guys. So Saint Christopher's College of Education from Chennai. Okay, and coming to the next one, so it is Sairam Education Trust, and from this one the applications are invited to fill up the vacant positions in this college. So in the engineering college, there is a professor and assistant professor vacancies are there in the departments of CSE, artificial intelligence, data science, and chemical and English as well as maths. And coming to the school, there is a vacancy in the primary teacher English with BA or MA and BA. Okay, and coming to the one more school is there, so KG teacher with the UG degree and Montessori training, so teacher in English or computer and biology. With BA or BC or BSc or MA or MSc with B.Ed. And coming to the one more school is there, so female is required PET with the BPED and part-time teacher in arts and crafts. Accounts assistant also required with the BCom, Tally and experience to work in trust office at Anna Salai, Chennai. So whoever the interested candidates are there, you may apply, okay, within 7 days from the date of the publication of this advertisement, this provided address. Fine. So these are all the details regarding this one, guys, and you may please once visit the official website of this one also, you will get more details. And coming to the recruitment notification from the NIT, okay, that is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Institute of Technology from Jalandhar. So here the guest faculty positions are there on a contractual basis or else lecturer basis. And coming to the departments, you may check down information technology and the computer science and engineering. Here the number of positions are also mentioned. So qualifications required BTech, MTech in first division and a PhD in the respective discipline. And here the coming to the salary, the consolidated salary for the candidates with PhD degree 54,000 rupees per month including the HRA. And whoever candidates about to submit the thesis with the 2 Scopus publications, they will get the 45,000 rupees per month. If the PhD candidates are not available, then the MTech candidates will be recruited on lecturer basis. So not exceeding the 45,000 rupees per month. And for attending the interview, TADA will not be provided. The last date of submission with supporting documents is 8th November 2021. And the interview will goes through online on 9th November 2021. Fine. So these are all the details, guys. So you may check down. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities in this pandemic situation. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subjects in the comment section of this video. If I got the matching recruitment notification, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my next video as immediate notification, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. To bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as of right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merit cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get, and even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also, and you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the two platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses or else what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I'm the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the, providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects, you will get the 10% discount for the referral code that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay. And while coming to the electronic science and the paper 1, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity.